So the bag has been secured. It has been such a mission to get this iPhone Pro Max 16. You do not even know what kind of mission it was, but we'll have story time later. So today we're gonna unbox the iPhone Pro Max 16 and a couple Spigen cases I have here, and we will see how they look on the phone. And here we have the prized possession, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in natural titanium. All right, so we're gonna get to opening this. The excitement, the iPhone Pro Max 16 is here. So we're gonna remove that tab right here. All right, and here we go. That already looks so beautiful and so large at the same time. 6.9-inch screen. I moved up to the Pro Max. I'm coming off of a 14 Pro, so this is a big phone for me. And would you look at that? Oh wow, look at that. Look how beautiful and pretty that looks. That is sleek. That is aesthetic. That is sleek. What a sleek piece. What a sleek phone. The natural titanium is hitting. Looks much better in person. Wow. I'm gonna take that off so we can see the beautiful screen here. Look at that. Beautiful. What a beautiful device. I will definitely be putting a screen protector on there. So if you want to see me putting a Spigen screen protector on here, then definitely press that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, because that will be an upcoming video. So this is a pretty simple unboxing because in the case is just the iPhone Pro Max, as well as a cable, USB-C cable, and the SIM card pin. That's all we have in the box from Apple. And you got your little pill-shaped booklet. So that is it. That is all we get in the case here. Now it's time to try out some cases. So the first case I have here is a Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. It's a MagSafe case and it is clear with a design. So let's see how this is. I used a lot of Spigen cases with my iPhone 14 Pro and they've been pretty good. I haven't had any issues. All right, so this is the case. You can see that we have a nice tech design. Back here, I got the gray color to match the natural titanium. I think this is gonna look really good together. So we'll just remove the film. Make sure to remove that before putting your phone in. It's got one on both sides. And we're gonna grab the device here. So we're gonna toss this into the case, and here we go. We're gonna see how this looks. Seems like it's gonna be a snug fit. So this is the phone with the Spigen design on the back. I think it's supposed to represent the inside of your phone. Looks like a whole bunch of chipsets. Pretty cool. I love how that titanium is looking on the camera there. That is really nice. Wow, beautiful. So that's a first look at that case right here. And to be honest, it is a very secure fit. Feels very grippy as well. I don't see you dropping this one easy. And this, like I said, it is MagSafe, so you can stick your favorite accessories on there. We're gonna try the MagSafe out right now. So here I have my trusty MagSafe wallet, and as you can see, it sticks on very well. Beautiful. So next, we're going to unbox my toy version I was looking for when I feel like being like that. What kind of cases do you prefer? Please comment below and let us know. So we have the Enzo Aramid case here, looking pretty sleek with that carbon fiber design. Has a nice little soft leathery feel to it. We're going to see how the Pro Max sleeps inside this baby. Let's see. Very snug and tight fit. So we still have access to all the buttons on this one. New camera button here, I haven't even played around with it. There's the action button. So very nice sleek fit. The camera button is fully accessible here, and the action button is here as well. And the feedback on the buttons is pretty good on this case. Very sleek, cameras are protected, screen is protected when putting it down. Very nice, thin case that does not add too much bulk to the phone. Not sure how well these will do for drop protection, but to be honest, I've had some cases on my Spigen on my phone and I haven't had any issues. But we're definitely gonna double this up with a screen protector. So this is how the Enzo Aramid by Spigen is looking. Nice and sleek, but to be honest, it really matches the titanium. That is actually really cool. Now that I see that, it really matches the titanium. I think I really like this one. A little bit more slippery though than the other one. So do keep that in mind, but It depends on how you're going to use this. If you put a pop socket or something on the back, I'm sure it'll help. I usually keep my MagSafe wallet on, and that just gives me a bit of a better handle on this. I cannot wait to turn this on and try it. Wow, I haven't been on a big phone for a while, but to be honest, like I said, the weight is pretty light. Just gonna take this out. So this is more of my case I put on when I'm going out, and I feel like this is gonna be more of my daily driver for now. Going back to the Ultra Hybrid case, I just wanted to throw it on again here because I didn't test the access to the camera feature, but it is there. Buttons as well are pretty responsive. They felt better to press than this one, to be honest, but not bad at all. Let me know in the comments which case you prefer. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a comment. That's how this channel gets to show out to more people. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.